动作。好，开始啊。
开始好久了好吗？
传送过去。
已经开始了吗？
先录这里，直接录这里。
This machine is connected with the software. It's download the photo from website, and then it will transfer to this machine. And now it starts to print. We have put one clear phone case, and later on we will see what is the result.
他前面把我录进去了没有？
对，使劲来试一下。
Okay, this Mickey, this Hello Kitty 吧
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, this Hello Kitty is just what we download from website. Okay, so the steps will be that you will need to download the software on your computer, and then you connect your computer with this machine, so you can download any images you want to print. So this is the image we download from website, and then we print by this UV printer. And also this is another one we print on one of the blank cases.
可以了，这已经可以了。